What's up, folks? Welcome to Math Walkthroughs with Mr. Weeb. Today we're looking at describing relationships algebraically in our Lesson 1 action task. Let's see what that task is. First, it says, look at each picture. Describe what you see using two algebraic expressions. Now remember, an algebraic expression does not use an equal sign. That would be an equation. So when we look at this, what I see first is I see 3 x's here. And then I see 6 1s. So let's write that down. Here's A, and we see 3 x's plus 6 1s, like that. The other way I see it is I can see that there are 3 groups of x plus 2. All right, there's a group, and there's one more group of x plus 2. And I can write that like this. 3, and then in brackets, that shows that this is a group. There's 3 groups of x plus 2. And if we remember that multiplication is just repeated addition, you could also write it like this. X plus 2 plus another group of x plus 2 plus one last group of x plus 2. When we go look at B, it looks a little bit different. What we're trying to find here is what is inside this box right here. That's what we don't know. What's inside there? So when I look at that, I see that we have right here 2 x's, yeah? There's 2 x's. And right here, we've got 4 1s. So if we take that 2x and we take away the 4 1s, then what we're left with is whatever's inside that box. So I can write it like this. I have 2 x's and I take away 4. And that will be what's inside this box right here. Another way I can describe it is I can just say, well, we have 2 x's, which is just an x plus another x, and then we're taking away 4. Or another way I could say it is I could say we have 2 groups of x minus 2. Let's look at C. Here we have how many x's? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 x's. So let's write that down. I've got 10 x's, but then when we have our 1's overlapping an x like that, it's like we're taking away those from the x. Same with here. So we've got 4 1's being taken away. So I'm saying 10x minus 4. The other way I can see it is if I look at this, I can see that there are 2 groups that are the same, right? In each group, there are 2 groups, and in each group I have 5 x's, and taking away 2 from each of those groups. Next it says we need to describe each expression in words. Use each of the following words or phrases at least once. So let's start with 3x plus 6. I could say that this in words would be like this. Triple x plus 6. For 3x plus 2, I could say this. Triple x and 2 more. So let's see. We've taken care of this. We've taken care of triple. I'm going to skip the last one, and let's go to, we're just going to do 2 per. So the next one we'll do is 2 from B, 2x minus 4. How would we describe this? Maybe something like this. The value of the expression is how much more than 4 double x is. So we have now used double. Oops. We've now used double and we've used more than 4. Let's also say here, what is x plus x minus 4? I could describe that like this. 4 less than 2 x's. And now we're on the last one. The next one is 10x minus 4. 10x minus 4. Okay, and I could describe that like this. 4 less than 10 x's. And finally, we've got 2 times 5x minus 2. And this one could be described as 10x minus 4 shared into two equal groups. And we got our whole bingo card. Done. Let's go to the next question where it says, show each expression using algebra tiles. Describe what the tiles show about what the expression means. Okay, I might draw it like this. This drawing, it shows that the tiles show that there are two unknown values and 3 ones. Then I would draw this for the next one, 14 minus 2x. These tiles show that you would need to add something, this is the something that I'm talking about, you would need to add something to two unknown values, the two x's, in order to get 14 ones up here, right? You'd have to add something here to these two x's to reach all 14 ones. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.